Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt. We've got our Crystal and Gem store. The Blazers custom tie-dye tee.
This was a t-shirt that I really wanted for my birthday, and I got it, and then of course I got dye on it.
Was it dye or was it bleach?
What happened was I washed all my clothes after we had done some tie-dye, and there was some blue left over.
Oh, that's right. That's right, it was blue.
That's exactly how that happened.
Yeah.
I have nobody to blame but myself, and I've already bought another shirt, so.
It will be alright.
I already have the exact same shirt, dye-free. I literally ordered it that day, but I figured out I messed it up.
And now you get to make this one into a cool tie-dye.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking. I was like, I get to dye that one now. It could turn out freaking awesome. So.
To the dry.
I got the other side, didn't I? I got both sides. I think I did.
To the inside?
Yes.
It looks like a little animal sticking its head out.
I know.
Hey, buddy.
I thought I'd be popping up to see you. We're inside now, taking on to the hot water.
Ooh. It looks cool in there.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Let's get it on dandy. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. Oh, splashy, splash.
Yeah, you want to check
Look at that blue violet coming out of there. I can tell when that color has been used.
Okay.
It looks so beautiful. You did use blue violet on that, didn't you?
I can't remember.
I think so. I see it in there. It's one of the coolest dyes when you wash it out, people. At least I think. I'm a sucker for the blue, so.
Oh man, I think it turned out really cool.
Obviously, that looks pretty happening. Now ready to see what we got?
The back's what I really want to look at, but I'll pull it up front side first.
Ooh, nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Awesome.
Look, my blue stain just fit right in.
Just right in. Can't even tell. Part of it.
Okay, now the back. That's where it had the design on it.
Look at that.
Cool.
That's pretty cool.
That's
Pull it out
neat.
when the light shines through. Let's see. No, like out. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty dope. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a good dyeing of a graphic tee there.
Yeah.
Awesome. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that came out pretty good. Look at that. This is her Crystal and Gems Market shirt that accidentally got dye on it about a few weeks ago, so she decided to go ahead and tie-dye it. Look at that. Wonderful color gradient. She's very happy with it. that's all that really matters, because it's for her. So yeah, I like how that pink just transitions out. Looks really nice. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.